I'm Sunshine. Welcome to today's topic, healthy habits.
Hi, I'm Ashlyn Donahue at TCAH News. This week on the news, we are learning about healthy eating habits. Now let's jump over to Jada Beverly with the health specialist.
Hi everyone, I'm Jada Beverly, and today we're going to be talking about why eating healthy foods is important. Eating healthy foods is important because it gives nutrients to your body that it needs to help it work properly. It can help you see clearly and gives you energy. But if you don't eat healthy, your body won't get the nutrients that it needs. It can cause you to feel sluggish and tired, and can even cause you to get diseases such as diabetes, and can cause you to have high blood pressure. And that's the report for me. Back to you, Gianna.
Hello, I'm Gianna Miller, and today we are going to be talking about healthy habits and what good eating looks like.
Hi, my name is Imani. I'm in 7th grade, and today I'll be showing you a healthy recipe. Join me as I show you the ingredients to my recipe. So, the ingredients to my recipe are these. I have apple, grapes, pineapple, strawberry, and banana. I'll be cutting this up and I'll make a fruit bowl as a healthy recipe today. So I'm going to cut them up and I'll be right back. So, I have my recipe all made now. So I have my fruit bowl, I have my banana on the side, my pineapples, my strawberries, my grapes, all in there. So this is my healthy recipe. I hope you enjoyed this today. May you try this recipe and hope you like it. Have a nice day.
Hi, my name is Zahra. I made country salad, and it's great to be here. Let's take a look. Hi, my name is Zahra, and I am in 6th grade. Today I'm going to be making salad. So first you chop some spinach, and then you peel the kiwi and chop it. Then you peel one apple. You peel it and chop it. You peel and cut a carrot, and you one carrot, and you peel and cut one cucumber. So first what you do is you take your spinach and you put it in here in a big bowl. When you do that, then you add the carrots. Then you add the cucumbers. And then you mix it. So I added some spinach because it looked less. So when you have all the vegetables, then you're gonna mix it. So when you mixed it, then you should properly and nicely. So then you can add the fruits. I added apples and kiwi. You can add pineapple also. So I'll add the apples. Then you can add the kiwi. When you've mixed it, then for the dressing, you get some juice of half a lemon, about 2 tablespoons. I added more and I mixed it a little bit in water. And then you can add some nuts. I added some mixed nuts. And then I made this like dressing. It has like 2 tablespoons of mayo, 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, and it has a 1-inch or a chunk of ginger, and it has 2 to 3 teaspoons of honey and a pinch of salt. You can also add avocado to the thing, but I didn't. So I'm going to add the dressing. We'll mix it. Then you can add the lemon juice. Then when you've mixed it nicely, you can add some nuts. I added walnuts, pecans, almonds, and pistachios. So I'll add a little bit. So now I'm done with my salad, and now I'm gonna taste it. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, I am Malak Olazabi and I am 13 years old and I am in 7th grade. Today I will be making some healthy recipes. So the first thing I have to go over is what is necessarily healthy. So healthy things are things like, mango, pineapple, spinach, things that are usually from nature and they're good for you. Like spinach has lots of nutrients and things like that. Well, and things that aren't healthy are, let's say, maybe McDonald's. Like, you probably shouldn't be eating McDonald's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. While it's okay to have it, sometimes, not maybe every 2 weeks or so, but it's not good to have it every week and things like that. So today I'm going to be making some healthy recipes so that you can eat healthy, but still eat things that taste good. So the first recipe I'm going to be making is my smoothie. I'm calling it the Great Green Smoothie. So the first thing you're gonna need is 1 cup of spinach in my immersion blender. And the second thing we need is gonna be milk. I'm using almond milk, but if you don't like milk, then you could use almond milk or any type of milk you want. I'm just using almond milk because I want to. So you need half a cup of this. And 1/4 cup added to that half cup. Alright, so the first thing, also remember that you need adult supervision when using a blender. It can be very dangerous. I'm going to put the other things. This is half a cup of frozen mango. Half a cup of frozen pineapple. And half a banana. And if you want it to be a little sweeter, then you can also add some honey. There we go. I'm gonna blend this up now and I'll be right back. Okay, and now I'm done with my smoothie. It is green, but it tastes really, really good. And you can't even taste the spinach in it. Tastes good.
Now let's go to Gianna Miller for some interviews.
Hello, welcome back. Right now we have Amani Smith with us to discuss what she made for her healthy snack. Amani, what made you decide to do this dish?
What made me decide to do this dish were because this dish is very easy to make. It's not hard to make, and it's very healthy for you.
How much money was it?
It wasn't very expensive. This is actually a very cheap dish to make, buy, sorry, and not hard at all to buy. It's not expensive. Really easy to make.
Where is the dish from?
Well, the dish is from very local stores like H-E-B, Walmart. You can buy them there.
Now we have with us Zariah. What made you decide to do this dish?
It was a healthy dish, and it was really easy to make, and also
How expensive was it for you to prepare this dish?
it wasn't that expensive. It was pretty cheap.
Mm-hmm. Where was this dish originated?
Over here, it's, I think, American.
Thank you.
Now our team at TCAH News is going to show you what healthy eating looks like.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.